What's that? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. No, don't eat it. You don't need to eat it. Come on, let's go feed the chickens. Hold my hand. Stop eating the flowers. Come on, we gotta go feed the chicken. Get the egg. Egg. Come on. Come on. Mason? You see your brother at the chicken coop? That's where we gotta go. We gotta go get eggs in the chicken coop. You little rascal. You little rascal. Over here to where your brother is. Okay.
I think our chicken is laying an egg. That's my egg.
Oh, there's some in there.
There's some in here? Whoa! There's one. And there's three.
Alright, come on, that's all we got. Good. Oh, there's two on top of the water.
I'm gonna let it close. Oh, Maggie closed you in. You closed them in, girly. Here's your basket, buddy.
How many is in there?
Let me count.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow.
7 eggs.
There's 7 eggs in there.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, that's a lot. I didn't hear them. I didn't hear Grandma. Mommy,
Mhm.
can you take a picture of all my eggs?
Of course, buddy.
Can you take a
Whoa. Look at all your eggs. How many we got in there?
So we have, so let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Whoa.
There's 7 eggs.
That's crazy.
That's